In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer domain to GoDaddy, domain name transferring made easy. Before we begin, make sure you can log in to your current domain registrar and you have access to the email address on the domain's contact record. Transfers rely on email confirmations, so having the right inbox is crucial. Also note that most domains can't be transferred within 60 days of registration, recent transfer, or recent ownership change. First, sign in to your current registrar, open your domain settings, and unlock the domain. This is often called removing the transfer lock. While you're there, confirm that your contact information is accurate, especially the registrant or admin email. If privacy protection is enabled, consider temporarily exposing or verifying the contact email so you can receive transfer messages. Unlocking won't disrupt your website or email, it simply allows the domain to move. Next, request the authorization code, also known as the EPP code or transfer key. You'll typically find a button in your domain's settings to get it, and it's usually sent to your domain contact email. Keep this code private and handy. Some codes expire after a short period, so it's best to proceed promptly once you receive it. Now head to the GoDaddy domain transfer page. Enter your domain name to check eligibility, then paste in the authorization code when prompted. You'll often be asked whether to keep your current name servers during the move. Choosing to keep them helps ensure your website and email continue working without interruption while the transfer completes. Continue to check out in your GoDaddy account. The transfer fee typically includes a 1-year extension added to your current expiration date, so you don't lose remaining time. Review your contact details, choose privacy protection if you want it, and confirm your payment. After submitting, your transfer request is officially in motion. Watch your inbox for an email from your previous registrar asking you to approve the transfer. Approving it can speed things up considerably. If you don't see the message, check your spam folder and confirm which email is on the domain's contact record. If an approval option isn't provided, don't worry, the transfer can still proceed automatically. Once initiated, transfer is usually complete in 5 to 7 days. You'll receive a confirmation email when it's done. After it lands in your GoDaddy account, verify the domain appears in your products, confirm name servers and DNS look correct, re-enable the domain lock for security, and consider turning on auto renew so you never miss a renewal. That's it. Your domain is now with GoDaddy.